Hey guys, how you doing today, guys? My name is Beckerson. Again, today, Beckerson Marseille, as you can see on my YouTube channel. Today, I'm here to talk about CLC, but I'm not gonna be talking about how to use the product or the benefit you can get from using the product. Today, I'm gonna be talking about dinero, about the money you're making when you become a life changer, right? Because me myself, I used to be a customer. I used to take benefit from using the product. But when I see the benefit I can get if I become a member, because I was spending a lot of money as a customer using the product every month. So I decided to become a life changer. So let's start from here because I like to start something, positive. Because first thing that says, all good is coming to me today. All my desire will be met today. Miracle will follow me everywhere today. And thank you, thank you. So that's how I like to say this because I've been saying, when you become positive, mentally, spiritually, physically, everything is possible. Everything is possible when you positive. Let stop thinking negative. Let's stop listening to negativity. People that talking negative. Let's stop listening to them because at the end of the day, they're gonna be telling you, this I don't think it's work. I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's gonna work. This and this, all negative stuff for you to stop doing what you're doing. But don't listen to this crap because at the end of the day, those negative thoughts, those negative speaking, those negative way of thinking, they're not gonna help you pay your bill. They're not gonna help you succeed. They're not gonna help you do all the things that you wanna do in your life. You understand? So be positive all the time. I'm here to help everyone. I'm here to help everybody with the TLC. I'm gonna let you know, guys, the money that you can be making, because there's possibility for everybody. Every one of us can make money selling the TLC product. That's one of the reasons I choose to become a life changer instead of staying using them as a customer, which is good. When you become a customer, you take the benefit. You feel healthy. You feel great by using the TLC product. But I was looking for more. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I feel good using them. I feel great. But I decided. I said, let me see what's going on. Let me see if I can make money from doing it, because I see a lot of people making money. I can't say that I'm making a living, but because I just started like 3 or 4 months ago, but I'm getting benefit, and I'm doing fine. So that's what I want for everybody. That's why I stopped listening to those negative people, because friends, sometimes when you start something and thinking that your friend gonna be there for you, your friend gonna be the one that is gonna help you succeed, but it's not like that, and it doesn't happen like that sometimes. But you have to understand that and respect that, because you have to have love for everybody. I have love for them. I have love for people that help me succeed. I have love for people that help me in my way to do when something that they see, I believe it. And because I choose, I remember when I was doing Amigo Bar, I got a lot of friends that, support me and give me help in every way. And I really appreciate that. Either you buy it from me and you don't buy it from me, there's a problem. It's all good, but I want you to try it. I want you to try it. You can try it from somebody else. You can try it because we all the same. We all are the same. TLC, we all the same life changer. If you buy it from me, if you buy it from somebody else, which is still a TLC member, I appreciate it because you're trying the product. You know what I'm saying? So let's say today, what I'm gonna be talking about is about how you're gonna get paid, how you're gonna get commission when you start selling TLC. because I'm getting commission. Commission, because TLC have 6 ways to pay you commission when you sell TLC product. Because TLC have a way that's called the retail bonus. Retail bonus is retail that you sell every item, every product that you sell in your platform. Every product that you sell on your platform, you getting commission for it. But the way they do it, let's say they give you 50% commission of every item that you sell on the platform. But it's not 50% in dollar amount. It's 50% of the qualified volume of the product. Qualified volume, the QV of this product. The price of this one, I think, is $54.95, right? $54.95. The QV for this product is 40 QV. So you will be receiving 50% of that 40 QV of that product. So that's mean you're gonna be receiving $20 when you sell one of those. And the ISOT also NCT, it's 40 QV on it. So you're gonna be receiving $20. That says you sell 5 of this one in one day, you're getting $100 in commission. See, that's great. That's great, and that's why I like it, because when I sell one of these to my customer, they feel good, they like it. I know next month they probably, if they do have money, they probably gonna say, okay, let me buy it again. That's extra $20. If I sell 5, if I sell 6, 3, 2, no matter, because it doesn't matter how much you can get for the week. That's gonna be your commission, 50% on every item you sell. 50%, not in dollar, not in dollar price, not in the dollar. This is $54.95. It's not $54.95 divided with like 50% of it. It's 50% of the QV of this one. This one have a QV which is 40, so you're gonna get 50% of that 40, which is $20. I want you guys to understand that, because sometimes people think this, when they say 40, when they say 50%, they think 50% is on the dollar amount that they sell for the product. So, but it doesn't matter. When you get, that's what I said. If you sell 5 of this for a week of this one, that's $20 in your pocket. $20. So later on, guys, I'm gonna show you how much, a little bit, not so much how much money I'm making on commission, because it's that's what I said. I when I first try, and I see that people is getting money, so I said to myself, there's a way for me. If I get into it, I'm gonna be able to make my commission. I'm gonna be able to make my money too. So I do try it, and I'm getting benefit from it right now. It's not a lot, but I do appreciate my customer, my friend, my people that buy it from me, because it's good. It's all good, and that's gratitude. I do appreciate when people buy one of those products from me, and you try it. But at the same time, if you want to become a life changer, you want to build your empire, you want to build something, you want to make your own money, you still can try it. Become a life changer. You let me know, because like I said, there's 6 ways you're gonna get paid. I just give you one, which is the retail bonus, the money that you're gonna be making every time you sell one of those. It's 50% of the QV of that product. So be happy about it. Be happy using it. Be happy making the money from TLC. Be happy of the opportunity. You understand? So I would like to see you guys buying or becoming a life changer. That's why I'm gonna leave the link. I'm gonna leave the link below the video on my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe, either become a customer or become a life changer. Because my team is the money team. people getting money. They making money. There's no time, no game. We're not playing game. We're making money. It's about money. That's why I tell you guys, like, don't listen to the negativity. Don't listen to people that, only speaking negative. Don't listen to those things, because at the end of the day, they're not gonna help you to pay your bills. They're not gonna help you to do what you have to do. You have to take advantage. This is the time right now. Right now we're facing a pandemic where people not making the amount of money they used to make before, or not everybody, but some people, and some people's not getting zero. He's getting zero. He's not making money at all. So this is a good time for you guys to try something. It doesn't matter. You can try, because like when it comes to online business, there's a lot of business online you can try to make your money. So go for it. Don't listen to people. Don't listen to them. Don't listen, because when you need them, they're not gonna help you. So make sure you get yourself straight and make your money. So let me know, guys. I'll be there for you. Everything you want, you can try the resolution drop. You can try the IST. You can try the NutriBurst. All of them good, and you're gonna get great benefit from using the TLC product. So remember, even you to buy it from me, I do appreciate it. Even you buy it from someone else, I'd still appreciate it, because you buying TLC product and I'm a part of it. So I can get mad because you don't buy it from me. I still appreciate it, because the only thing I want is for you to give it a try. And when you try it, maybe you will change your mind and let me know, guys. I'm here. Thank you very much, guys, for listening today. And remember, as I said, my name is Beckerson Marseille. My name is on my YouTube channel. I'm going to put the video on with my link on it. So go for it. Become a life changer and start making money. Or become a customer and start getting the benefit from those products. They good. I'm telling you. So thank you very much, guys. Guys, have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you very much.